asking any experience, they will just ask you what is your qualification, what degree you have done, what courses you completed. So first of all, education will come, then experience. If you are going anywhere with only experience, you don't have any knowledge about that, no one will pick you. You must have experience. And before,
Good evening.
yes, good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And what about you?
Yeah, same here. I am also doing great. Everything is fine.
Yeah, so as I can see that we have already mentioned earlier time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we should talk on the topics, or we should do you want to talk on the topic or casual conversation we should do?
So I also want just discuss on any topic. If you have any topic, we can discuss on that.
Okay, so I can say that the most really topic we can choose related to the education also, I can say experience is better or the knowledge.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so should we do the debate or should we talk on this topic?
I don't have any idea how to means, discuss on this. So if you have any idea, just tell some things about it. Means if we'll talk on debate, so I have to choose any one of these, or
Yeah,
how can we
yeah,
discuss?
yeah, yeah. If we will choose one, then I can say there will be also fight and debate. I can see. So we
Mm-hmm.
should talk on the topic. If we will talk on the topic, then most of the people they will gonna to get a lot of knowledge from us. So I can say we should
Mm-hmm.
talk on the topic that which is better and why this is better. So we should talk on the topic.
Okay, okay, okay. Let's try a debate. I will go for debate.
Okay, okay. So I
So
just think that I will choose the experience. You can take the knowledge.
okay, okay. Knowledge is mine.
Okay, okay. So you can start first.
Education is very important. If you are going to do anything, you must have to knowledge means knowledge about that. Let's say if I am talking about myself, I studied my degree in nursing, so I am working over here and I am getting experience. So if I'll not studied earlier time, so how did I get this job? After education, only you can go for any job or for anything. Then you can means you can achieve your experience, you can gain your experience. If you are going through any experience, so nowadays the people will not take you for any for the job or for anything. So my opinion is that knowledge is very important.
Okay, but I can say in my opinion, experience is better than the knowledge because if we don't have the experience, so if we are also having the knowledge, take an example that we are knowing all the knowledge about the English language, that grammatical rules, all those things we are knowing, that how the debate is happening, how the people they are just doing the conversations. But if we don't have the experience, do you think all the people they will be perfect on that? No. So didn't we have also some that we can't perfect them. It's necessary experience very much. They will do a lot of practice. If we have the experience, then we will not going to make a mistake in that situation, in that in that platform, we're not going to make a mistake. So that's why I can say experience is more better than the knowledge.
Yes, you are visible, but the sound's not coming very correctly. Means sometimes cracking. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, it is okay now. So you can start talking about the knowledge part.
Yeah. Yes. 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 You. Okay. I agree with that, but not every time. Means knowledge experience is very important. So let's say you told like if you have knowledge, you and you don't have any experience, you cannot talk. We cannot speak on any stage. So let's see if you don't have any knowledge about English, means if you didn't study about grammar part, if you don't know the what is the tense, what is the future present tense, so how did you get the experience? Means you must have to knowledge about something else. Means you must have to knowledge about grammar part, about words, what are the vocabularies. If you don't have any education and knowledge about the all those things, you cannot speak. So knowledge is very
Okay.
important for doing anything.
I agree with your point, but I can say in my case, I just think that experience is more better because if you are already told that knowledge is more better, because if we have the knowledge, then we can do anything. But talking about the experience, like we have the knowledge, we can say, we are just taking an example. We have the knowledge that how to drive a car. We have the knowledge, but if we haven't drive that car, so do you think that we will gonna to drive very well? There should be needed experience. If we drive more and more, and there is needed a practice a lot, then only we can be learn very well. So we cannot say that we will gonna to drive a car by knowing that how to drive. There is not necessary. I can say there is necessary experience. If we have the more experience, then we will be perfect on that.
You are right. You are right. I agree with that. But the knowledge is not only about the study, what you are studying in your college, in your school. Knowledge is not about that. What you learn from anywhere, from your village, from your area, anywhere. If you are learning something, it's all about knowledge. Experience is what are you doing. So if you are knowing something, this is the brake, this is the clutch for driving any car. So how to ride it, then only you can go for ride it. Okay. If you don't have any knowledge, what is the accelerator, what is the brake, what is the clutch, so you cannot drive a car. So you must have to knowledge about all the things. Then only you can go for a drive car.
Yeah, but I can say that I can give the 80% about the experience and 20% about the knowledge. Because like if we are just experienced person, we can also say that the knowledge, one who has created the knowledge, they have also the experience.
Yeah.
For giving the knowledge, they have also the experience. So experience is really very good. If we have the experience, then we can success to we can success easily. We can whatever the goals we are having, we can go on that. Like we are also practicing the maths or physics, whatever we are doing. This there is needed a practice. There is needed experience. It is not like that. Today in my examinations, all the things are coming, and today I will sit on that and I will score full out of full. It is not like that. There is needed a lot of practice and experience for that. So I can say there is needed experience.
You are right. I'm agree with that. Experience very important. But if I'll talk about education, if you don't have education about knowledge about anything, so you cannot go for do that. Let's see. When
Yes,
I
you are
completed,
okay,
sorry,
okay, okay.
sorry.
Yeah, I
Uh,
can see that you are right. You are right. But if we have the knowledge, and for that knowledge, by knowing knowledge, we are not able to do anything. So for what about that knowledge? We will not do
mhm.
anything.
Yes, yes.
But from that knowledge, if we can't do anything, so for that knowledge, what it will?
No, 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 no. I'm agree with that. With the experience and yes, experience is very important. But without knowledge, you cannot do anything. Means, let's see. When anyone is completed their degree or their course, any of them, they complete. Let's see, anything they completed. If they are going to search any jobs, the teacher, they means HR, the departments, and the anywhere you are going to do works, that they will ask for experience where you work, what is your experience, what is your means where did you work, tell me some experience, show me some experience. But before asking any experience, they will just ask you what is your qualification, what degree you have done, what courses you completed. So first of all education will come, then experience. If you are going anywhere with only experience, you don't have any knowledge about that, no one will pick you. You must have experience, and more experience is very important, but the knowledge is more important than experience.
Okay, so as you already mentioned that knowledge is really very important for us and experience is not much important, but I can see that like we are having the knowledge. So first meeting, like just if the people they will take the interview at that time they will just ask all the questions, what's your qualification, all those things they will ask. But if they haven't the practice, if they haven't the experience of talking with the people, if they will not able to speak very well, for that also they will be rejected. So I think the
Yeah.
experience is more better than the knowledge. We can also say that like we have not the knowledge, but like if we have started earlier, so how to practice English language. There is not needed, as we are just knowing about the English language, we are also knowing about the grammatical rules. The people are not thinking that I'm knowing the grammar, I'm perfect on that, and I can speak very well English language, but it is not like that. Most of the people, they are also doing a lot of things, but they are not able to do, like they don't have the experience. So that's why they are not perfect on that. For that, we should have to do a lot of practice. For learning English language also, we should have to know, and we should have the practice, we should have the experience, then we can beat with the people.
Okay. You are right by your side. Means, let's say, if you have any experience on any field, okay, that's okay. If you have knowledge of that field, you can achieve experience very, means you can learn anything very easily and very smoothly, very quickly if you have knowledge. Without knowledge, it's very life means long process. You are learning everything, so you have not any knowledge, so it's very long process. You will have to give some more times. If you have knowledge about anything for any field, so you will learn very quickly. So before experience, you must have to knowledge about that. Then only you can proceed for further. That's why I'm
Okay,
telling
okay,
that
yeah,
knowledge is very
absolutely.
important.
You are absolutely right. But I can see that nowadays there are people, they just don't think that they don't watch the knowledge, that how much knowledge they are having. They just see that what they can do. They are just seeing that what fills in they are just doing. Nowadays, all the people, they will not see the degrees, that how much knowledgeable person you are, what the things you are knowing. They will see the field in which you are perfect. So for that, we should have the experience.
Okay, you are right. But sometimes when you can also see if